Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Home Tutor. I am Prashant Zadav. Today we are watching the first chapter in 8th standards English subject. So I'm starting my session. The name of chapter is The Best Christmas Present in the World. Before you read, there are some dates or periods of time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remember them. The story you will read mentions one such date and event, a war between the British and the Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war it was? So, the writer referred the period. Which period? When the British and German war was started. So they have given some dates. So we will watch these dates. Do you know which events the dates below refer to? First date they have given 4 July 1776. The next is 17 December 1903, 6 August 1945, 30 January 1948, 12 April 1961, and the last is 20 July 1969. So this answer is given page number 23. So now we are starting the session. I spotted in a junk shop in Bridport. I spotted means I found the junk shop in Bridport. This is the name of location. A roll top desk. The man said it was early 19th century, and there was a roll top desk. But someone is told me that it's a 19th century roll top desk, and I had wanted one, but I wanted. So means he want, but they were far too expensive. But it's not easy to purchase this because it was very expensive. This one was in a bad condition. Also, it was very bad condition. The roll top in several pieces, one leg clumsily mended. Means it's damaged, totally damaged. Scorch marks all down one side, and it's burned one side. It was going for very little money, and it was going for very little money, and so its price is looking very high. So he think it was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it, but I thought means uh, purchasing person, he thought restore it means maintain it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it the Christmas year, but I not lose my confidence, and I have started to repair this roll top desk, and I have make it complete made it complete. So now I am stop this lecture, and we will watch the second part in my another lecture. Namaskar.